Morning, good people of YouTube. Today I want to reflect on something I've struggled with my whole life, and I suspect many of you do as well. And that's the whole thing of bottling emotions and feelings up inside of you, and builds up until that bottle bursts. Now, welcome to a very long overdue video. There can be many reasons for bottling stuff up inside. One can be that you had no support structures as a child growing up, and you had to figure stuff out for yourself. The other one can be to avoid conflict overall. This especially comes into play when you're in an abusive relationship. And then the one I want to focus on today is the societal pressures that the society puts on us as men, that we cannot show emotions. Boys don't cry, man. I think it's a very, very unhealthy narrative to live by. Society teaches our boys not to show emotions, not to express our emotions. Suck it up. Be a man. Today I want to use the analogy of a dam wall. Now, a dam wall is built to handle a certain amount of pressure. And at some point, if that pressure is too great, that dam wall is going to fail and it's going to burst. If that dam will burst, it's a lot of collateral damage. It's the same with us humans. We can only keep that certain amount of water or emotions behind that wall. If it gets too much, that wall's gonna break. And unfortunately, most of the times the collateral is the people you care about the most that gets the brunt of the force. This is very, very unhealthy for you, for your body, and for the people around you. And like any dam wall, there are usually sluice gates that they can open to let the water flow out and release the pressure from the dam wall. If they don't do that, there will be destruction. No, we must have our sluice gates as well. It can come in many forms. The best and most powerful one is to express the emotions and feelings and whatever, man, to the person inflicting it. Not in a confrontational way. Open conversation. Don't do it in a hostile manner, man. And it won't go well. With that comes a release. It's a weird thing. The old saying of the power of words. I do not think that society realizes the power of speaking something rather than keeping it here and here. It's very powerful, man. Another way, get someone you trust. Close friend, family member. Just open up, man. Let it out. Man, if all else fails, man, cry. There's this whole thing about men don't cry. It's a sign of weakness. Listen, man, I've seen battle-hardened men cry like babies. Yeah, man. Do not keep the stuff inside, man. It's not healthy. It makes you, your body, sick. So yeah, man, the crux of this video is, do not let society tell you what to do and how to feel, how to express your emotions. It does not matter if you're a man or a woman. Why should it matter? Just let it out, man. Don't be confrontational about it. Have an open conversation. It's very, very healthy and very, very needed in the society we're living in now. For that one split second, man. Now let that ego just go a bit. Ego's here. It's not here. I might do a video on the ego at some point. Yeah, man. Let your emotions out. Speak up. Open up, man. See you next time.